Hi guys, welcome to Coding Commanders. I'm Commander Candy. Today I'm going to show you how to install Oracle VirtualBox on your computer. This is the first part of setting up our programming environment. So first things first, you might be wondering, what is a virtual machine? Okay, Oracle Box is an example of a virtual machine. And what it is it's a virtual computer running inside your computer. So think of your virtual box as a separate computer from the rest. And because of that, we are able to run a separate operating system. So a lot of you guys on your computers, you probably have either Windows or OS X. For our programming environment, we are going to use Linux. We can have our Linux operating system on our virtual machine and set up our environment there, and we're not going to mess with your existing computer environment. So basically how it works is we're going to allocate a portion of your computer's resources to the virtual machine in order to do so. If you have like a really old computer and you're using it for a lot of different things where you don't have the available resources, I will do a tutorial on installing WAMP. I highly recommend using LAMP. That should be your goal, to get LAMP set up. But at the beginning, especially when you're just doing the HTML and CSS, I don't want to bog you down. Also, with virtual machine, it can easily be replicated. You should be able to like copy it, save it on a hard drive, whatever, give it to a friend, and replicate your environment. That's why a lot of companies and things like that in the real world use virtual machines. We'll have the link to the website where you download the VirtualBox in the description on my video. I will also have the link to the written out lesson for these instructions. So you might want to pull that up. We're going to go to virtualbox.org. To their download page. The URL, as you can see, is on the top. It's going to have you choose your operating system. Are you Windows? Are you OS X? Are you Linux? I'm Windows, so I selected Windows. A box like this should come up saying, do you want to run this file? Click Run. Now, depending on your operating system, are you Windows? Are you OS X? What version? Things like that. The exact boxes that come up and what they exactly say, things like that might differ some. Maybe you have extra security to click yes through. So if you have any questions, please comment, let me know. But for the most part, we're just going to run through saying like run, next, install, just basically clicking yes as we go through. If there's anything of importance, I will, point that out to look out for this. But mostly it's just next, 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 next. So after you hit yes, you should see something like this where it says preparing to install. And then welcome to the Oracle VM VirtualBox 5.1.24 Setup Wizard. Click next. And here, just click next. It's asking you to click on the icons of the tree to change them, whatever. Let's just go with what they got. Now, custom setup, select the features that you want to install. I kept them all checked. Create start menu entries, create a shortcut in the desktop, create shortcut in quick launch bar. Just, hit next. Ready to install? Heck yeah, we're ready to install! Install this baby! Okay, and then please wait while it sets up. And then once you're able to, click next. Do you want to allow the following program to install software on this computer? Yes, we do. Why would we have installed if we didn't want to allow it, right? So click yes. Okay, so please wait. Would you like to install the device software? Install. And there you go. That is basically it. Next, in our next video, I'm going to go over installing Ubuntu on your VirtualBox. If you have any questions, if you had any issues with the install whatsoever, please comment below, let me know. And any related materials or lessons or links for downloads, I'll always put in the description. So thank you guys for watching and happy coding!